No, for already existing submodels, I want to import as a reference link. For that, you have to use typical up one. So, listen, one model is imported here. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For Revit MEP also, you have to use this concept only. Suppose client is supplying some Revit architecture drawing means you have to use this link Revit option only. We have to import all of this option. Okay, and then
Okay.
here go to 3D.
Okay.
See whether I am creating any model. No, it is act as a AutoCAD black.
No.
And then I want to broke this link, and then I want
Okay.
to make that drawing into mine means bind link. What are all the details to be attached? Suppose remove link means original link will got removed. After that it is group. Un- Ungroup it. Now you can see that model is inserted into our model. Yes. So for that whatever thing
Yes,
you
sir.
want, you can do it. Okay. This is importing Revit. Next format
Okay.
is what is IFC? Whether you have any idea? Where you can use this?
No, sir.
IFC definition is International
No, no,
Foundation
sir.
class. Take down. IFC foundation is International Foundation class that will help us
Okay.
to exchange format from one file to another
Okay.
file, particularly MEP and other sector.
Okay.
So
Okay.
suppose here where we can do this, file export IFC International Foundation class. Browse desktop, save, export. Now what I am going to do is, right, export is progressing. Now I will delete all of the things. So now same way model is also empty. Any model is there? No. Now internet.
No, sir.
Now Revit. There is, you can see IFC. Suppose client is sending that IFC model means see just I have loaded. You can see in this bottom, see
Okay.
the mouse cursor. IFC created 900 elements out of 156.
Okay.
So, but IFC means we can import 3D, some other 3ds Max or SketchUp or any other models also.
Okay.
Now you can see previously all the materials are available. Now materials are got deviated and
Okay.
then everything is as a link. Link means reference file.
Okay.
Bind link, you can see. Suppose client is sending the information is us. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And then ungroup it. Now we got get the idea now.
Yes, sir.
So architectures models maybe come in this formats. Another format. Suppose latest whether you heard about mm, suppose other formats are DWF. What is DWF markup? Drawing web format. Okay?
Okay.
Drawing web format. Here export first. From this you can see DWF.
Okay.
So from itself you can here and then here remove all of the things. So import problem, some it is not supporting it.
Okay.
And then other thing is decal. Whether you heard about decal? Decal. Decal is suppose I want to place some image files. Place
Okay.
decal here. You must have some image files. See, some image file. Got it?
Yes, sir.
It may be advertisement or any other thing. Advertisement or wallpaper or any other thing, you can place the import the image like this.
Okay.
Okay. Next is point cloud. Now very familiar pattern is that is whether you heard about the online point cloud. That is the very familiar conversion that is supported by Autodesk. That will help us
Okay.
to import any model into the Revit architect. That is Revit files. RCIS. File format is RCIS. Client has to be sent in the format. RCP, RCIS, RCSET. Or
Okay.
this means the formats it will support to us. These are called point cloud.
Okay.
Point cloud means simple example is in AutoCAD, your version is 2019 or 2020.
Okay.
But your client, that is Revit also, your client, your project is 2017 or 2018. You are sending it to your client. What you have to do? He is having 15 or 16. What you will do, ma?
Okay.
What you will do? I'm asking.
Point cloud.
Yes. So higher to lower, it will not be accepted by the software.
Okay.
So what you have to do is um, just convert into RCIS. The file export, you can see some options are there. Yeah. Or we can use some external tool to convert this file into RCIS. And then that file can be imported here. Okay? Any files,
Okay.
Maya, 3ds Max, Auto Revit high version, everything we can convert in this format. Next, coordination file. What is coordination file? Where you can use it? Can you explain? Hello?
Sir, you can compare Revit model with non-Revit model.
Yes, you are right. Comparing you can use. Comparing with Revit with some other patterns of models also. Example, whether you heard about work sharing.
Yes, sir.
What's work sharing?
So when more computers are connected, sir.
Hmm. Tell me, huh? Tell me, ma.
I don't know, sir.
What you are saying is correct. Tell.
Sir, when more computers are connected, sir.
Yes. In big shot companies, what they will do is, mm, uh, uh, they suppose, example, big shot companies like Sofa or Prestige, they have having big design team inside the complex itself. Understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So big team they means not even having a single discipline.
Okay.
discipline of various things. Example, one team may have some, what is it called? Architecture sector. Okay.
Okay.
Another team may have design with MEP, particularly HVAC sector.
Okay.
Another one is specialized in the plumbing sector. Another one is to be in the
Okay.
wiring, that is electrical. Another wire in case of
Okay.
officers, what they will do is
Okay.
they will do it in what is that called? Some communication, some high level communication system also.
Okay.
So what they will do? What is the procedure they will do? Because there that group of companies doesn't have time to wait until that architect people has to complete that model and then has to start afterwards. Understood?
Okay, sir.
What they will do means once that optimized model is ready,
Okay.
once the optimized model is ready, that model will be
Okay.
shared to the team. That is one is to HVAC team, one is to fire protection team, one is to plumbing team, one is to the electrical team. Like this, they will be split up. They will give the splitting work to them.
Okay.
Master will be the architect people. Client will be the these people.
Okay.
Same model will be distributed to every point, and then having the rights of
Okay.
operation. So one can't interrupt with the other team.
Okay.
In these cases, in which coordinate that person is modeling is shared with others on the same coordinates
Okay.
and the line through the land system.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
That is the coordinate sharing. Major, that is work sharing. And then what you are saying also correct.
Okay.
Both the thing you are that's called work sharing. And then import CAD already you know. XML.
Okay.
XML for the heat load, cooling load,
Yes, sir.
other reports we have to take in the XML, particularly in MEP.
Okay.
And then insert from the file. That is views from the file. Views means for our Revit project model, we are having some works like some sections, informations of our ducting or any other design models. Understood?
Okay.
So we can
Yes,
import
sir.
it. That model is from the some existing project using this.
Okay.
Second is 2D elements from the file. What is 2D element? Hello? 2D element is from the file.
Okay.
That is whether you heard about northing easting point donation notifications.
Okay.
That is Excel. In the Excel itself, some coordination, the X, Y, Z coordination value they are defining. That we can import it and then we can make that
Okay.
model. Okay.
Okay.
So to before creating any existing models, we can do like this. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Next is in AutoCAD itself. What you will do? You have to do. If you are creating one plan, see what you have to do. Customer is asking plan details for the floor wise.
Okay.
What's the information you have to provide it to them?
Sir, you have to send these files.
Directly? No, yeah.
Yes, sir.
No. We have to create a 2D sections at various
Okay.
location. We have to create a 2D sections at various location and then convert that 2D sections plan everything to the AutoCAD drawing.
Okay.
That drawing information is sending to them or printed images.
Okay.
So this is the plan. Go to view. View menu also I will explain.
Okay.
What is templates one?
Templates. Sir, it's a collection of different properties, sir.
Yes, you are right. Having the group of connecting of different properties. Here two types. Apply template properties to the current view. Here all you can see architectural, structural, mechanical, electrical, plumbing coordination. And then here all the properties means here you can set what are all the views to be set, enabled or disabled.
Okay.
Understood or not understood?
Understood.
Or structural or mechanical means here what are all the views you want to manage it, you can do it. Here also this is the architectural template, so architectural will enable. Suppose if I are importing the mechanical template, mechanical things also it enable it. That is proper setting. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Next is visibility graphics. And one more thing also in the templates. Suppose I have created perfect things everything like duct and everything perfectly means what you have to do. See what is this?
Create template.
From the current view.
Okay.
What's the meaning is? So what are all the settings adapted in the for the current project? Hello?
Okay.
That may be stored
Yes,
as a
sir.
template for our user reference.
Okay.
Like that we can convert the project setting into template or manage view template settings. Here we have to set what are all the things that you want to show to the customer.
Okay.
Okay. Like that here you can see the tick mark and other things. This is template management because template is splitting that Revit into number of softwares. Understood? Simply
Okay.
here view one will be there. You can see in the sheet property, you can see here it is architectural.
Okay.
What is it?
Architectures.
How mechanical I want to do.
Okay.
And then subgroup also you can set and then click OK, apply. The project browser you can see. Rename.
Yes, sir.
You can type and rename it, change the type of applications. Level 1 is
Okay.
different now, level 1 mechanical is different. Understood?
Okay.
Level 1 is for general architecture, level 1 mechanical for mechanical designs. Like that we can customize
Okay.
also. Any views we can duplicate it. Understood? Here you can
Okay.
see it is looking bright. The mechanical you can see. Sindhu.
2 weeks.
Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Like that, we can set the templates.
Okay.
And then I want to control the components, view control components. Means here you can see all the reference components will be coming here.
Okay.
Now, if you want to show some components, means you can take. If you remove that group, means even you are placing columns also, it will not show on the model. Hello? Same way, what are all the
Okay.
components that you need or don't need, you can control here. That is visibility graphics. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next is annotation. Annotation means text and dimension, other informations you can use.
Okay.
So this is analytical means Revit structure. This analytical means Revit structure. This cable tray system, callouts, these things, some mechanical, everything will be there. That information you can take means it will come, otherwise it will not come. Okay. Same way
Okay.
analytical model categories for that is
Okay.
particularly for Revit structures. Everything is the Revit structure. And then imported
Okay.
categories. Imported categories means any AutoCAD, Revit import, RC, that is IFC, Point Cloud,
Okay.
DWG, DWF, all the format information to be
Okay.
displayed here. Control displayed and controlled by here. Okay. Next is filters, object filters.
Yes, sir.
Like that, it will give the object controllability to us.
Okay.
Next is filters. So in our model, what are all the things that you want to show? You can select and then filter it, and then you can show to the customer using this.
Okay.
From your model, we can filter and then we can select that elements only directly and then hide or show that element. Okay.
Okay.
Next is thin line. See some of the objects. See this line, wall line.
Okay.
Make it as thin line. You can see.
Okay.
Or the duct centers and other points. I want to show it as hidden line.
Okay.
You can show that some of the components in the hidden line. Suppose I want to say check that some
Okay.
of the components in the hidden line means you can remove it. Remove hidden line. Normal view will be restored.
Okay.
And then these things already you know 3D view, camera view, walkthrough, everything I have touched. And then here only now we are going to see some things. Here previously what I'm doing, just a floor plan, right click, duplicate the view, duplicate. Duplicate means independent duplicate. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Duplicate with the detailing. Some detailed informations also come. As dependent means as a dependent of other view. So same thing you can do it here. So plan view, floor plan, reflected ceiling plan, structural plans, or plan region, area plans, anything I want to create some duplicate and then work it for some other else. Previously I have created a duplicate for level 1. What is same procedure? Click floor plans. You can say
Yes, sir.
this thing I want to duplicate. You can say 2 of 1. Okay?
Okay.
Like that we can duplicate one floor plan, we can change the settings and other things. We can go to some other
Okay.
area, some other purposes. Okay? Or elevations also, I need a new elevation. Here, see how many elevations are there
Okay.
now? One, two, three, four. That is east, west, north, south. Understood?
Okay.
Suppose I have selected this thing,
Yes, sir.
accidentally I have deleted it. What will happen? What will happen? You will lost our one elevational view.
Mm,
We restore view menu, elevational here. Okay. After that, select this one. Just rotate and change the view.
Okay. Okay.
You can see here elevational 1A, cross angle.
Yes, sir.
Elevational 2A, two more additional elevations will be created. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, framing elevation. That is some angled. See, what is it? For to calculate the vertical bracings for the Revit structures, you have to use framing elevation.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Same
sir.
way, duplicate current view. Plan view means only plan views only we can duplicate. Elevation means side elevations we can duplicate, create our own. Or current view itself, I want to duplicate everything. What you have to do?
Duplicate with
Duplicate with the detailing, duplicate as dependent. Three options you can choose. Normally
okay.
duplicate only you have to use. You can see
Okay.
level 1, copy 1,
Yes.
like this. So duplicating the current view. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Next is important thing we are getting inside. Already this area we are completed. Sheets.
Yes, sir.
Important thing is sections. I suppose I want to show a 2D section to a customer, not 3D, 2D.
Okay.
Here, what is this? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Here, there are three type of sections are there. Here, the properties we have to see building section, wall section, detailed section.
Yes, sir.
Building section means we can get section from anywhere. That's our section is ready. Section range is there, cutting it here. We can adjust it one. Just double click that one. There, here you can see building section, section 1. Now we got Vinith. Now we got whether it
Yes,
is
sir.
2D view or 3D view.
2D, sir.
2D view. After that, what you have to do? We have
Philip, join minutes, man.
we have to add some section details. Text to the information.
Okay.
Here, go to annotate text. See Windows. See here, you have to select the text. Single text or with arrow mark,
Okay.
two arrow.
Okay.
In the same procedure has to be adapted in case of MEP. If you are following some MEP design. Hello?
Okay.
MEP also you have to create that
Yes, sir.
from the plan view. You have to create some depth sizes and everything, and then after that put the text informations like this.
Okay.
Some messages like this you have to do. Okay, or you can see.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can
Yes,
see
sir.
this is not quite common. Duplicate the text. You can see the difference now.
Yes, sir.
Or Okay.
Okay.
So this is title text, and then under that you have to define the scale.
Okay.
So for this section also I can create another section.
Okay.
Section. Just double click that. You can see. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Or go to any one of the elevation.
Okay.
Can you get the idea?
Yes, sir.
So from any one of the view, except the 3D view, all the views we can create section.
Okay.
If you delete, that means camera will got hidden. Out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next is the building section. Sorry, wall section. Now we can see.
Okay.
Here what I'm going to do is we can add more designs also to the studio. Go to annotate. What is
Okay.
this? What is this? Detail section.
Sir, tag by.
Yes, detail. Detail lines are not here. You have to see. Fill the region. Like a hatched AutoCAD hatched button I want to show.
Okay.
Sample. Finish sketch. You can see here better duplicate it. Here hatch buttons you can choose. Or model.
Okay.
Okay. And then here
Yes,
region.
sir.
Fill the region. Roughly I am doing same way for yourself you have to do it.
Okay.
Here duplicate.
Okay.
Sample. Okay.
Okay.
Then text some sand fill.
Okay.
Whatever messages given by the customer you have to get.
Okay.
Select the text notes as copy. Some messages like that in your ducting diagram or mechanical MEP diagram also you have to draft using region, or simply line only means detailed line. Here you can see no fill,
Okay.
just a detailed line. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Or masking means cut zone. Some of the area I want to cut, or I doesn't want to display.
Okay. Okay.
Now you can see that column point. You can see
Yes, sir.
that is masking region or component symbols. Here detailed
Okay.
component, repeating component, legend component. Detailed means here you have to see some symbols, and then load family.
Okay.
Here detailed items. Okay,
Okay.
you can see machinery symbol. Some symbol is
Okay.
there. Okay,
Okay.
you can see the list. Equipment,
Yes.
loading and docking equipment, dock front.
Okay.
Like that, some equipments you can copy and paste it here. Or
Okay.
you can ask, mostly design
Okay.
engineer will give the component design to you, create and store it outside, simply. Or
Okay.
casework also you can use. You can see base cabinet, shillings. Here, wait, not case cabinets. Detailed item is okay. Annotation,
Okay.
text controls they are giving here. Okay, that is not coming now. For symbol and other items, detailed component here. If you want to load some other existing thing means go to detailed items and then here you have to select this item. Here specialty
Okay.
so some symbol like this.
Okay.
Civil oriented symbols I will place. But mechanical, electrical oriented designs you must have to know and then create it.
Okay.
This is component placing or repeating components, brick patterns along the wall.
Okay.
Okay. Here also
Yes, sir.
what we can do, can see some sun filling.
Yes, sir.
Like that we can give that filling area. Same way, insulations, some insulation materials also you want to include. That is restricting the air, that is transferring that, controlling the air barrier. That is insulation, material insulation.
Okay.
Okay, or detailed group means predefined
Okay.
detailed group. Any components you are having means we can place it here. After that, if you have to show the informations to the customer,
Okay.
some message, and then size. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and then remaining thing is dimension. Already you know. Like this, some measurements you have to provide. Because it's a 2D section, it will allow
Okay.
in only that horizontal view, sectional view. Add the dimensions, nodes, and everything. This will be section for your one model.
Okay.
Okay, this is
Okay.
wall section. I have added some informations to you. Same a text. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
After that, what we can do here is just a drag and drop in that sheet of printing sheet.
Okay.
Then we can do it. It will be go for presentation. Next case is section of detail sections. Detailed in the means we can get a detail from the plan or side elevations, everything. View, see here, detailed.
Okay.
You can see
Yes, sir.
some detail is cut here. After that, go targeted and then do all of the things. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or from the section itself, I want to retrieve the detail. Section 1 or section 2. Here you can see one detail. Okay. This is under detail view. Detail
Okay.
0. Now what I am going to do is, and then same you can see the wall section, section 3. This is this one. Here itself, I want to show very clearly to the model. This one, call out. Create a call out section. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or call out sketch. Lion. See, line is getting. Continue. Here you can see just double click this call out. You can get into the section details. Here, what are all the things that I have teached to you, have done. Okay, or
Okay.
delete section. Now you got it very closely, that element. Yes,
Yes, sir.
then insert, sorry, not insert, annotate, add the details and then create a proper section of, at the particular area, the zoomed condition.
Yes,
Okay
sir.
or not okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
This is normal view, Vinith.
Okay.
This is user section. This is normal wall section, building section, or call out section, or call out from the section. Different, understood that word? Call out from the section. Next
Okay.
is, I want to create my own length, own information, own section details.
Okay.
Draft view, duct. Empty screen will be presented to you. And then annotate, go to, you can get a detailed view.
Okay.
Okay. And then here modify offset 1 inch. Okay, duct thickness. Okay,
Okay.
annotate or architecture itself line here modify. Okay, then
Yes.
there is no pattern for the CR. Which pattern we can take? Sand or wood? Which one will be matching?
Anything.
What ma? Sand 3.
Okay.
Okay, this pattern I will choose.
Yes, sir.
So some our imagination pattern only. So for information now text. Type that value, whatever thing you want, and then dimensions also. Okay.
Okay.
Because this is an sample, customer has to know what are the things.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Like that, you have to create one section and store it here. Any sections you can create.
Okay.
Or last one is legend. Legend means nothing but what are all the components that we are used within our project. We have to give the information to them. It's maybe doors, windows, duct, machines, anything. That's a predefined component. Say yes or no. So example, one door
Yes,
will
sir.
be there. Legend. Sample legends will be there. Here, in this one annotate legend component. Here nothing will be there. In this one list you can see what are all the components or families loaded within the template will come. So it will display here. See 30 by 84. And then floor plan. And say floor plan. Okay.
Okay.
Here for yourself. Um, so, okay.
Yes, sir.
After that, add the dimensions. Okay. Internal
Yes,
framings.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Every informations. I have taken one door samples for you. You can take, understand?
Yes, sir.
Duct mechanical equipments. Understand?
Yes,
That sections you have to explain to them, to the customer. Understood?
Okay.
After that, you
Okay.
can add the text, annotations, and everything that it will be presented to the customer. For the doors means they will have to create the door. Others means for manufacturing they have to use. Okay,
Okay.
this is legendary section. And one more is keynote legendary. Means some of the components in Revit has manufacturer keynote integration reference. Manufacturer has to give
Okay.
some information about the component within the component. That is correct.
Okay.
Keep keynote legend. Any keynote legends you are having means we can drop and you can use it in the model.
Okay.
And then switch windows already you know what is the purpose of switch window. Hello.
Sir, we can change the floors. Sir.
Yes. Okay. Right. Now change it to some other view. Second view, third view, like this. Next, I want to set all of the things in. Duplicate means duplicate window. Or you can see what is this? Cascade. Title bar will be cascaded one over another, and then blue color is making the current window. Or tile windows. You can see what happens. What happens in it?
Sir,
Hello.
multiple windows.
Multiple windows. Previously, only
Multiple,
one view
hello.
were in the screen. Now, multiple screens are we can get into the one box, one option. Understood? To make
Yes.
it current means just double click.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So shall I stop now? So up to now,
Yes,
architecture
sir.
is over. Architecture is over. Tomorrow, I think that day itself, MEP, beginning class, first class I have taken out. Understood?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Just tomorrow I will continue with the next portion.
Okay. Sir.
Okay?
Okay. Sir.
Okay, bye. See you. Good.
Mhm.